Hi Kate! Happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung 18th birthday mo. Kasama mga pinsan mo, mga kaibigan mo. Ingat-ingat ka. Dalaga ka na eh. Sana ay maging makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. At mag-iingat ka lagi.
Kate, I'm very well. I wish you the best for your birthdays to come. It's very unfortunate. I feel sad because we will not be able to go there to attend your birthday personally, but because of some developments and for health reason, we are not at this point in time. We are not yet ready to come home. So just enjoy your birthdays with your friends and your cousins, and we wish you the best.
Sayang sana nandiyan kami. Anyway, baka sa next year, magsama-sama tayo uli. Happy birthday, Kate. I love you. We love you.